Hello, my name is Anna Pollard, and I am a technology teacher with MyFunScience. Today, I would like to talk to you about our Programming with Python course. Python is one of the most loved programming languages by developers, data scientists, and software engineers because of its versatility, flexibility, and object-oriented features. Python is developed under an OSI-approved open source license, which means it is freely usable and distributable and available for everyone. It is an interpreted language. Interpreted languages do not need to be compiled to run. A program called an interpreter runs Python code on almost any kind of computer, including Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. We will download the latest version of Python from the python.org website for use in this course. Python is a rising star in the programming world for two main reasons: the big range of tasks it can handle, combined with the fact that it's actually a very beginner-friendly language. Python code syntax uses English words, and that makes it easy for anyone to understand and get started with the language. Whether you are an experienced programmer or not, this Python course is intended for everyone who wishes to learn the Python programming language. Indeed.com lists almost 69,000 Python-related job openings because Python programming can be used in so many ways. There are Python jobs to fit every level of experience and employment interest, including quality assurance engineer roles, entry-level software engineer positions, and high-level jobs like machine learning and artificial intelligence engineers. Take a look at some of the average salaries by position. Quite impressive. The classes work in PowerSchool and also in Zoom. Classes are asynchronous, meaning you can attend live courses, or if the time of the course does not fit into your schedule, you can log into PowerSchool and view the video of the live course and complete and submit your assignment by the due date. Classes are held in zoom.us, where you will have access to a live instructional video to accompany the coursework. I am looking forward to meeting you in our Python course and hope to see you soon. Go in peace, serve the Lord.